Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tarte H2O Balm Lip Tint, and I'm so excited to put this on my lips right now because my lips are so chapped. They look terrible. But I got this in the shade Retreat as part of my January 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which if you haven't seen that unboxing video yet, it is up here on my YouTube channel. So this has a retail value of $21. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and it has some nice nourishing ingredients in it like squalane, hyaluronic acid, algae, and it's this kind of pencil format, which is great because it can be a lip liner, lipstick, maybe lip balm. So multi-use, and I'm hoping it'll be super hydrating and comfortable on my dry lips. It's pretty packaging. Ooh. Oh yes, and it does twist up. This looks like such a pretty shade. Let's do a swatch. Yes, so pretty. Such a pretty pink shade. It looks like it might be a little lighter than my natural lip color, so I'm excited to see how this is going to look on me. Oh, it also has a mint smell to it. I wonder if it's going to have like a cooling effect on my lips as well. It smells very nice. Yeah, and the swatch has a bit of shine to it. Not super pigmented, but I think enough color to look opaque on the lips. But let's go ahead and find out. I'm going to start out by lining my lips with it. Well, yeah, it is looking a little light on me. So now let's see how it is when I fill in my lips. I never really wear lip colors that are lighter than my natural lip shade. And I just feel like, I don't know, let me know in the comments down below what you think of how this shade looks on me. And you can be honest. I'm like, initially I didn't really like it, but maybe I just kind of need to get used to it because it's pretty, but I also feel like it makes my lips look textured because it's pretty good pigment except for like a little bit emphasizing the dry texture. It helped to moisturize my lips, but it didn't get rid of the chapped texture that's there. And I just feel like because it's lighter, it just doesn't look smooth. Like I can see a little bit of the natural lip color peeking through, and then like the inside of my lips too doesn't look that great. Like it doesn't look that smooth. This is very creamy. I feel like it's also going to have a lot of transfer. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is a lot of transfer. A full kiss mark of transfer. So it's not long lasting color and it's not as hydrating as I need. And it doesn't look like smooth texture. So I just don't feel comfortable in this. I don't feel like it's the most flattering shade for me. My lips look very textured. It's gonna come off easily. So I was really excited about this, but it is not my type of lip product. And for $21, this to me is just not worth it at all. However, I do love so many of the other Tarte products and other products from the Tarte collection as well. So just because this product did not work for me doesn't mean that other Tarte products will not. But let me know in the comments down below how this product worked for you if you've tried it out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.